Because it's really loud.
It is.
That's exactly what it sounds like. The heffalumps. Wait, is there not a car right outside? Really? Let's see. That's bizarre. How bizarre. Like I genuinely can't imagine what song they're listening to. It literally sounds like a like burn burner or burn burner burn burner. It's the weirdest thing ever. Okay. So let's get cooking. I feel like this tattoo really brings out my clavicles. I got a great chest tattoo. I have a boatload of salmon tails. And then one actual piece. Clavicles. Clavicles. And then oh man. It was actually a pretty productive day. Like a boat holds way more salmon tails than that. Nope, it's a boatload. This is an actual boatload of salmon tails, okay? You couldn't get more salmon tails if you had a boat. This is all you could get. Believe it or not, I would never lie to you. Okay? I legitimately can't remember anything that I did today now. Oh, I did a bunch of Ireland trip planning this morning, and then it's still a little icy. And then I started stream. Yeah, I did a bunch of Ireland trip planning because that's coming up in like 2 months now. And then I showered. So I'm all clean. That's exciting. Love being clean. Washed my hair and everything. It was like I washed my hair, I shaved my legs. It was pretty epic, I won't lie. And then I shot a bunch of fan house content, so I'll have a bunch of new sets going up. My weekly shower. Yeah, I shower every day, but I don't wash my hair more than once a week, if I'm being completely honest. My legs and hair are very soft. Listen, when you have long legs and long hair, a full shower where you wash your hair and you shave your legs is a big chunk of time, okay? It's a lot of time, it's a lot of energy, it's actually so much effort. You know what I'm saying? You just shave your legs and wash your hair. Long, yeah, when you've got really long leg hair,